Let's learn about type conversion and type coercion in JavaScript. With type conversion, you are explicitly converting a value from one type to another, and this is called type casting. In example 1 here, we see that the number variable is assigned to a string of 42, and with the number type conversion function, we are changing that to a string to a number, from a string to a number, and you'll see that in the browser, 42. You can use all different types of type conversion functions to change the type. So you can use string, you can use Boolean, and you can use the number function to make all those changes. And you'll see that in the console. 1, 2, 3. We change that to 1, 2, 3 as a string. And you'll note that differently from the blue color to the black. You'll notice false as a Boolean. From 0, that's going to be a false. And then number, the string of ABC is going to come back as not a number. Now with type conversion, we have these examples. And with type conversion, this is going to be when JavaScript automatically changes types behind the scenes. And so you aren't controlling this. This is JavaScript determining it. And you'll see that here in this example number 1, we have the string of 5 plus 1 is going to come back as 51 as a string. And the console.log of string of 5 minus 1 is going to come back as 4 as a number. When using the plus operator, if one operand is a string, like this first example here, JavaScript's going to convert the other to a string as well. But with the minus, JavaScript's going to try to convert it to a number, as we see in the console. Now, type coercion can lead to all sorts of weird behavior, and I wanted to show some of those examples here. And I'm going to uncomment all these. And you'll see that when we console log different items, you're going to get some weird results. So true plus false is going to get to 1. Null plus 1 is going to equal 1 in the console. Undefined plus 1 is going to be not a number. And the string of 3 times the string of 2 is going to get back 6 as a number. So in sum, when in doubt, convert types explicitly. You're going to want to avoid relying on type coercion unless you're positive you know what JavaScript's going to do. And you'll see in example 3, we have an example of doing type conversion explicitly. So number, we're turning a string to a number plus 1, and that's going to get back 6. So in sum, be sure to use string, number, and Boolean for clear type conversion. Be careful with automatic coercion, especially with plus, null, and undefined. And when in doubt, be explicit.